Good job, Jeremy. You're playing basketball. Oh, good job. Yeah, those are both blue, aren't they? Oh, you want to put the red one in. Go ahead. Yay! Good job. Yeah. Yay! Good job. Put the balls in, honey. You got it. Good job.